Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST D3O S-1 mesh jacket. The all-new RST S1 D3O mesh jacket retails for $199.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been redesigned. I know you want to talk about sizing.
Let's do sizing. I am 5'11", 174 pounds with a 40-inch chest, and I am wearing a small. I'm going to say a little bit more of, I can't really say a race fit, but it's definitely snug, as you can see. Granted, this does have a fully removable quilted liner in it, and it takes up a little bit of extra room. I would say if the liner was out, everything would be perfect. Right now, it's just a little tight, but it's also 90 degrees out, and it's...
And you would take the liner out.
And you take the liner out. So
I do love that they included, it's a Sinaqua breathable, windproof, waterproof, insulated liner. It's
great.
full liner, sleeves, and vest. It's nice that it's in there because for early season and late season riding, when you go out in the morning, it's just a little chilly.
A little wishy-washy. Yeah, it could be 50 degrees in the morning and 67 on the way home, and you just kind of two different conditions.
You can go. You can get the jacket so it's best suited for the conditions very easily. It zips in and out. It zips in actually in the sleeves and in the body, so it's really held in there nicely.
Yeah.
You need a little bit more warmth in the morning, you leave it in.
Yeah.
And maybe the jacket's going to be a little bit snugger when it comes time for that nice afternoon ride or that summertime ride that we all want to be doing. Obviously, a liner's going to be out, and in Max's case,
it'll be perfect. Give you a little.
the sizing would be perfect if that's how you want your jacket to fit. Some people, they like just more operating room right out of the gate.
Yeah.
So in that case, if
just
you're
size up to a 52.
100%, yeah.
Or a medium.
It'd be called a medium. Yeah, any of the textile jackets, they do the alpha sizing. All the leather goods, those are done in the numerical sizing. Tons of value with this thing. Massive mesh paneling, very subtle logoing. It's available in this one color. Reflective piping here. CE A certified. Integrated shoulder slider. Subtle logoing there. Large mesh panel there. Reflective piping. That logo looks like it's probably reflective also. Large mesh panel back here. A little bit of drop in the back of the jacket keeps that, when you're in that aggressive riding position, you're bent over, it just keeps coverage in that area over your riding pants. Volume adjustment at the waist is done with Velcro and textile. Level 1 certified D3O armor. Shoulder, elbow, forearm, there's some adjustment there.
Yep.
Volume adjustment in the bicep.
There's...
These are a little small, we had to tighten that up a lot. Sure story. It has pockets inside the jacket. You're mad at me right now.
No, I'm not mad at you. No, it's
okay, pockets inside the jacket to accept the D3O back protector insert, size large. In the chest, there are some zippered pockets. There's some specific D3O split chest armor that can be installed in there too. A lot of that stuff, as of today, the stock kind of comes in and out. You can always go with alternatives. There is an Alpine Stars Nucleon Plasma size large that'll slide in that same pocket.
Not the full back insert. It's just going to be
the
standard. Yeah, the full back insert won't.
And also the Icon D3O, which is the same exact stuff. Any one of those back inserts in a size large is going right in this jacket. Okay, so it's all merchandised in the RST armor section of the website. We call it out. You can always call in or email in, and the team's going to help you out. Whole lot of jacket.
This is a whole lot of jacket. If you're a rider, that is definitely, I would say, if you want to ride in the rain, you're going to be okay, correct?
Yeah, it's windproof, waterproof, dude.
Yeah, for sure. But even, like spring to the end of summer, you're going to be completely fine. This is a great all-season jacket for, honestly, any condition out there.
What do you get for $200 anymore?
I can fill up my truck for like $115, diesel prices.
You can get a kick-ass RST jacket.
Or that.
For $199.95. Amazing.
Yeah.
You're from no other big brand are you getting that. And I got to tell you, I think the styling, this jacket looks great on you. The styling's super clean.
Yeah.
They're producing it in just the one color, which, let's be realistic, what's the best-selling color every time?
Damn straight gonna be black.
Always black.
9 times out of 10.
The reality is, you know, you're out using this on the road. And the white stuff, the light colored stuff,
It's gonna fade.
it gets dirty, dude.
It gets dirty and it can fade. It's just how it is. Yeah. Especially the shoulder sliders. That plastic usually gets unfaded and then it starts to feel
That takes a long time.
That takes a really long time. Like, what'd you say?
That takes seasons.
Seasons.
Yeah, man.
Like, this is black, so you don't have to worry about it.
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
If you want a little more detail, stay tuned. We're going to take this jacket off Max, take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The RST S-1 D3O mesh jacket from the inside out. For openers, like we talked about in the first part of this video, I really love this feature. This is our Sin Aqua waterproof, breathable, windproof membrane. Right? See, it's full vest and sleeve, full liner, that is also insulated. It has the storage pockets on the inside that mimic what's inside the jacket. Zippered storage over here on the left. A little pocket over here on the right. Slip pocket. What's awesome about this is it takes the seasonality, the period of time which you could use this jacket, and it really extends the hell out of it, because if you had just the full mesh jacket, nothing but that, when you get those cooler mornings early in the season, early season riding, late season riding, you'd have to put some kind of base layer under here, right? Or it's going to be too cool. Pull this thing out for the summer days that we all love riding in. You're wearing a big air conditioner that looks great. So I love that they did that. And still that crazy $199 price point. This is a lot of jacket for like hardly any money. D3O level 1 certified armor in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. Remember, there is a level of adjustment in the forearm. We're going to show you that when turn the sleeve inside out in a minute. Jacket itself, full mesh panel in all your impact zones, a little heavier denier, textile fabric, nice motion panel, subtle screen printing, love that, reflective piping across the shoulders, across the arms for nighttime visibility, volume adjuster here with Velcro textile and a D-ring. Canada's on fire right now. These allergies are never going away until Canada's done burning. You should see it out here. We're in the mighty mitten, and it's terrible. F you, Canada. We're done with you guys. Do something with your forest, man. Little screen printing here with the RST logo on the sleeve. Volume adjuster here at the sleeve. Velcro and textile. The liner, too. Like, at this price, the price point blows my mind. It's a lot of jacket for no money. The liner zips in and out at the cuffs, zips in and out at the body, so when that thing's in there, it's held in there real nice. Volume adjustment here at the bicep, Velcro and textile. Large mesh panel here on the inner arm. Full mesh front. Subtle screen printing one more time. Heavy gauge locking main zip. Comfort line collar. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. This does not include the back or chest armor, but it does have pockets for it, okay? This takes the D3O insert. You can put the Alpine Stars 1 in there and a large 2. We call that out on the listings. Some of this D3Os, it's been in and out of stock, right? They could have maybe done a little better job of planning there and had it available at the same time as the jackets. There's some cool chest armor coming that you zip open this pocket here, it slides right in. So if you want to add that, you can. There's a pocket like that on both sides. The chest armor is one of those things, certainly another layer of protection. It's never a bad idea. At a minimum, with this jacket or any other jacket, make sure that you do add some back protection to it. That's a super vulnerable spot. You have to have that. The chest is definitely a little more optional. Full circumference zip to pants. Big heavy gauge zip. This is going to zip to any one of the textile or leather RST pants. Storage pocket inside. Zipper on the left. Slip pocket on the right. Tail of the jacket itself, it extends down a little bit. Make sure you have coverage right when you're in that aggressive riding position. Kind of overlaps with your riding pants. A little bit of padding built in there too. Not a bad idea. Integrated external shoulder sliders work in conjunction with the shoulder armor to enhance protection in that area. Also, they look great. More reflective piping up here. The material has a nice hand. Like, you almost can't believe it, right? When you look at the price tag of this jacket, you look at how good this thing looked on the kit. $199 in a world where what can you buy for $200 anymore? I mean, I think sometimes when I go to the station to put fuel in my truck, I think it costs $200 for God's sake. Get a whole jacket. Volume or armor adjustment here in your sleeve. There are a couple levels of Velcro. The way the armor is going to come, it's going to come in the highest position. Okay, so you'll have the armor slid up, and both patches of Velcro are going to be attached like so. So the armor is going to be riding here. Let's say you need it to come a little further down the arm. Open both up, slide the armor down, so this one cannot attach, right? And let the armor come to rest down here on the lowermost, and that's going to take the armor and put it a little bit lower of a position for you. There's no adjustability in the shoulder, but there's really no reason for that. The shoulder is the shoulder, but having that flexibility in the arm is never a bad thing. What do I think of this jacket? I think it's amazing at $199.95. How are you going to beat it? The thing looks great. It comes with that windproof, waterproof, insulated liner that you can zip in and zip out. Good looking coat. Find a better one for $200. I dare you. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.